So here's a guide to the ultimate bread kit. First, we're going to start with our bench scrapers. We have a heavy duty one meant for dough. Okay. Then we have our plastic one. This one's meant specifically to have some curve to it so you can scoop things out of the bowl. Okay. You have your Danish whisk. This allows you to stir the components together without your hands getting too gloppy, and then you just glide the dough off after you're done. This is called a lame. This is what we use to score the bread. This kit came with razor blades and a protective cover, so that's nice. We have our flour components. This is just something you fill with flour so you can easily dust. Kind of a nice addition. You also have your brush. Again, natural bristle. Super important, natural bristle. And then that just brushes the excess flour off. And then you have your bannetons. Okay, this kit came with an oval one and a circular one so that your dough can rise for your loaf, and that way all you have to do is plop it on and you're ready to go. And what's nice is these are machine washable, or you can wash them by hand with soapy water to let them dry out. Okay, so that's a nice addition. Okay, and this is your guide to starting to make bread and all the tools necessary to get started.